Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing a competency-based question for 2 marks. Let's look at the question. A unit circle is shown below with center O. A tangent AB is drawn to the circle at point M such that angle MOB is equal to beta. If OA and OB are perpendicular to each other, write the expressions that represent the lengths of OB, OA and AB. Okay, so first let's take triangle OMB. Okay, so to do the first part, I'm taking in triangle OMB. I know that cos beta is equal to adjacent side, which is OM, divided by the hypotenuse, which is OB. Now this is a right angle triangle, so OB becomes the hypotenuse. Now we are expected to find the length of OB, right? So let me bring OB to the other side. So I would have OM by cos beta, which is equal to OM secant beta. The length of OM is 1 unit, so 1 into secant beta. So we would get the value of OB as equal to secant beta. Now in the second part, they're asking you to find the measure of OA. Now we could take the other triangle, that is triangle OMA this time. So in triangle OMA, I know that cos of 90 minus beta is equal to OM by OA. OA is the hypotenuse here. OM we know is 1 unit, so 1 by OA is equal to cos of 90 minus beta. Now why is it cos of 90 minus beta? Because we know this entire angle is 90 degree, because OA and OB are given to be perpendicular to each other. So the rest of the angle, part of it is beta, so this angle would be 90 minus beta. Now we know that cos of 90 minus beta is equal to sin beta. So sin beta is equal to 1 by OA, from which I would get the measure of OA as 1 by sin beta, which is equal to cosecant beta. Okay, so we got the answer to the second part as well. Now let's find the value of AB. Now triangle OAB is a right angle triangle. So the right angle is AOB and AB will become the hypotenuse of that triangle. So let me take the big triangle. In triangle OAB, I know that AB squared is equal to OA squared plus OB squared by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now we already found out the values of OA and OB. So let me substitute those values here. We found out that OA is cosecant beta. So OA squared will be cosecant squared beta plus OB squared will be equal to secant squared beta. Okay, so that's equal to 1 by sin squared beta plus 1 by cos squared beta. And that's equal to cos squared beta plus sin squared beta by sin squared beta times cos squared beta. I just made the denominator the same. Okay, we know that the identity sin squared beta plus cos squared beta is equal to 1. So I can replace the numerator with 1 by sin squared beta times cos squared beta. So AB squared, so AB would be square root of 1 by sin squared beta times cos squared beta, which gives me 1 by sin beta times cos beta. Okay, if we want to change it to cosecant and secant, we could do that as well. So this is cosecant beta times secant beta. So the value of AB will be cosecant beta times secant beta. If you have a math question that you'd like me to cover, drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to do a video just for you. Also, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.